Ever wonder how much you can fit in a 10 by 25 storage unit? All this stuff, plus a heck of a lot more. It's just a matter of packing your items right and using the proper packing supplies to do the job. Let's walk you through some handy pro tips to get the most out of your unit. Don't leave the light stuff at large. Packing up an entire bedroom set, our large boxes are just what you need for carrying pillows, linens, and other lightweight household items. Get a packing tip that's full of air. Don't want chipped corners or dents on your furniture? Our bubble wrap comes to the rescue to help protect furniture and appliance finishing and edges. With these tips, you can use storage in a way that's easy to manage while enabling you to take full advantage of your storage space. Problem solved.